Annabelle, please, okay? Okay, now see your left. Yeah, there's nothing.
Whoa!
Okay, anyone know what is that? Anyone knows? Raise your hand. Yeah, that's right. It's a tree's house. For Tarzan, it's a Tarzan tree's house. For Tarzan, he's not at home now, so you may visit him next time, but not today. And if you want to visit him, please take a rough over there. Yeah, this too, remember. And don't try to see the crowd because there is a lot of crocodile under the dog.